Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use the Lottie animation in your Flutter app in just couple of minutes. So let's get started. So the first step is to add the Lottie package. I will simply add the Lottie package. As you can see, the package is now added to our pubspec.yaml file. Next, go to LottieFiles.com and download any animation you like and save the JSON file to your project folder. Once the file is downloaded, we will add it inside the asset folder. After that, we will move back to our home screen and inside the center widget, we will use the Lottie widget to load and display the animation on the screen. Now we will add the file path of our Lottie animation with the same name we added in the asset folder. Then simply reload the app and as you can see, the animation is working smoothly on the screen. That's how we can easily use the Lottie animations in our Flutter project. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.